Welcome, today in front of me ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to enable the ringtone volume on this device. So we got a couple of ways how we can do that. So the first way, that's just you have go to the settings, and here tap to the sounds and vibration. Right there you can see the ringtone and notification section, and just to enable your ringtone volume, swipe these blue dots with your finger to the right side by this way, and as can you hear our ringtone volume is set up right now. And the second way, that's just you have to press your up volume button, and as can you see our ringtone volume just is enabled. And the third way, that just you have to tap on your down volume button, and here you can go to the settings icon, and here in the middle you got your ringtone volume panel, and just swipe with your finger this dot to the up, and your ringtone is enabled right now. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.